So there's been plenty happening in the market, especially with regards to risk appetite. But where exactly have traders positioned themselves? In this case, let's start with Euro USD. It has been dropping slightly, not that much. And as you can see, retail bias has increased. The outer circle for as of today morning, inner circle as of 1 week ago. So in the case of the pound, not much of a change there. But in the case of USD JPY, here we get our first shift in sentiment. They were majority short, but the yen was a significant outperformer, a beneficiary of what we've been seeing in terms of safe haven assets getting snapped up by investors. That sent USD JPY lower. Shorts started to take profit, longs initiated, and as a result, we've seen a shift towards a slight majority long bias. What about commodity currencies? Now, in the case of the USD CAD, the Canadian dollar got hit pretty bad because oil prices have been in significant decline. You can see our oil video for that. But in the case of USD CAD, we get another shift from a slight majority long bias to a now heavy short territory. As for AUD USD, well, the commodity proxy and high beta currency has been getting hit on multiple fronts because of what's been happening as of late, and that means that majority long bias has increased as shorts get enticed into taking profit. Now, in terms of oil, we've gone through on the oil video. You can check that one, but the bias over there has risen amongst retail traders towards extreme long bias, not that far off. COT traders at 88%, whereas in the case of precious metals, you can see both gold and silver, not much change from the week before. Now, last but not least, and this is a big one, indices. This is where, because of the plummet that's been occurring, there's been really big significant profit taking amongst shorts. Now, it's been no secret that retail traders have been holding significant short bias against the rise that we've been seeing towards record highs for the Dow, NASDAQ, and even the DAX briefly intraday hit record high as well. And you can see that in this case, the plummet that we saw, the risk aversion that's been gripping the financial markets, what that has done is it's led to a significant drop. DAX is where we've always had the heaviest range trading. It's dropped from 80%, almost on the verge of shifting to majority long. So just one session. Whereas in the case of the Dow, also at much more moderate majority short levels. As for the NASDAQ, still in heavy short territory at 65%, but it has dropped. And the reason it has to do is because the NASDAQ outperformed. So we saw more shorts, more averaging in to the short side in the NASDAQ that we didn't see in the others. So we're going to need more of a retracement in order for them to be able to unwind those shorts in profit. So that's it for all of us here for Retail Sentiment. Thank you so much for watching. Have a thanks.